Hello friends, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on eAcademy 123. Today we will discuss about the Kotlin, how to download and install. So Kotlin is a very beautiful and useful language after Android, but in a few years it will overcome the Android. Its experiences tells us. Let's start. So go to your favorite browser and here type the IntelliJ space idea and hit enter. So you will find this link. This is very IJ. This is the IDE where you will code your programming of what? Kotlin. So in this process we will follow the instructions of the whatever IntelliJ it does mean. Here you will. So friends, here this link has been open. So here you go to the download, just click here, and if you go there, then new window will appear here, and that window is very useful. So here the ultimate plan. So if you are doing the professional programming or professional coding and software at all, so accept it, I accept it, and then you can download it because it is the pro version, so you have to pay that for that. And in the community version, if you are learner, students and at all, so you have to download it. Just you will download it, you will navigate to the other page of that website. In a few seconds the download process will begin, but I am already downloaded that thing, so there is no need to download me again. Yes, so if you yes, in a few seconds, yes, if you do that IDLC, and if you do save, then it will download. So I am cancel it because I have already downloaded that thing. So everything I have minimized it and go to your download folder. I have already downloaded. Just double click on it. So installation process will begin here. In a few seconds the installation process will started, and if you are new in Kotlin, process is going on. So setup is loading. So in a few seconds the setup will load, and the next that process will do, and after that we will finish it in a yes. Now the welcome to the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So this window will pop up. So here you have to do that. Next, and here the location where your software, that is IDE, will install that thing. If you are installed from other places rather than by default place, then you can choose from here browse. Okay, so I am installing its own proper place. So next and next. Yes, and here creation associate, if you are doing on that Java.Groovy, but I am using the KT Kotlins and KTS. Now download and install 32-bit JetBrains at runtime. Okay, you have to add the launcher directly to the path, you can say, and 64-bit launcher, yes, and desktop 32-bit launcher if you require, then okay. This is the path variable you have to, and if you select that thing, then you have to restart your computer, okay, and create the desktop shortcut. So if you want to that, then you can do. Then now go to the next and JetBrains, okay, and install. The installation process is going on. In a few seconds that installation process will go because jar file is loading here. So in this time we can use for simple talking. So in this way we can install the Kotlin and we can program that, but this is the very fast and furious language. Okay, so Kotlin is a new emerging technology, you can say. Then it will help to code rather than Android. So it is just parallel to Android, and if you are using that thing, then definitely it will help in your campus recruitment and other places. And if you are freelancer, then that thing is very, very important, because in international market the requirement of that thing will gradually increasing. Okay, so I suggest it, but so it is taking too much time, so yes, it has been downloaded. So finish it. So double click on it, then you accept that conditions. So I accept and that continue. If you are not accept, then you will exit. Okay, just continue. Okay, then now your IntelliJ new project open. You will open the already you have done, but because we have